I am back with another analysis on GBPUSD. As our final conclusion, I'm expecting a possible uptrend on the hourly chart, but mostly a downtrend, a sharp downtrend. On the daily also, I'm expecting sharp downtrend, no uptrend, as well as the weekly, again, sharp downtrend, no uptrend, which I'm not actually seeing a very good week for this currency pair. Let's jump into the chart to talk about the details. Starting from the weekly, as you can see, price has created a lower low with an impulsive wave and then bounced up to almost 50% as well as the resistance level. Go to the daily, we can see that this corrective structure, this reversal, has started with a 5-wave impulsive wave with a truncation on the 5th wave, and followed by a possible ABC, which is ABC might be an expanded flat, since we are seeing some sort of a fake out to the this very strong support resistance zone. As we can see in the last day, price just had a very bearish day, which is fulfilled the two previous day, as this it has covered these two previous green candles. So to have a better understanding and much more details about this momentum, if we go to the hourly, I'm seeing a very classical butterfly pattern, which after creating this XA as our A wave of that corrective structure we just talked about, price created the destination of the B exactly to 61.8%. The destination of C is almost 50%, and the destination of D is 261 almost, which is so huge. So for this pattern, we are expecting actually reversal is expected, a downtrend will be expected after this butterfly pattern if we've seen everything seems valid. So if we get the confirmation, which seems we are getting a fake out resistance level, it might be a downtrend. So let's take a closer look to this uptrend in another perspective. We can see that price has created a very long divergence from the beginning of this uptrend, and it has been ended its momentum almost with a rising wedge, which now price has been reached to the bottom of this wedge at the moment. So I'm expecting a possible uptrend as the corrective structure, because it has been reached as hourly support. But anyhow, with that uptrend or without it, I'm expecting a breakout to this wedge and a down momentum to the maybe previous levels. So for the daily, if you go back to that butterfly, I'm expecting a sharp reversal as we just discussed. So this is what I'm expecting from this butterfly pattern, which in the end will come up to the daily. That's why I'm expecting a sharp downtrend in upcoming days to continue its momentum for this possible expanded flat. And in the weekly also, it might be a continuation to the bottom of this support zone, to the bottom of this possible flat, to complete this momentum as the C, because we're seeing that it has not actually reached to the 38%. So for as the expanded flat, it might be reached to this 38%. So that can be our weekly perspective. As if I jump to the weekly, back into weekly chart, I'm expecting a downtrend from here to this bottom level. So again, we might see as a long-term weekly chart expecting a very sharp downtrend. So as we discussed on about these conclusions, it might be a possible uptrend on the hourly as the corrective structure of that wedge, and then a sharp downtrend, daily sharp downtrend, weekly sharp downtrend. This is what I'm expecting at the moment, and let's see what will happen. Anyhow, thanks for watching me, and until next analysis, take care and have a nice day.